Hey, what's going on, everybody? What's happening? We are live. Welcome to my channel, S&P 500. What the fuck, dude? Getting destroyed. What the shit? Oh, well. Hey, for those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Jeff, and I'm going to be day trading the S&P 500. We're going to be trading Apex. I've been trading for 18 years. Primarily option trading, right? For those of you that follow my videos, squeeze trades, flags, breakouts. I've been trading the S&P for the last 5 years, but we just started this year trading Apex. Never knew anything about it. So, if you want to join us inside the school, the coaching class, we do stocks, naked puts, options, futures, day trading. We talk crypto. Check in the description. All right. Market opens up soon. Let me let everybody inside the room, and let's get to work. This damn market, dude, it's a joke. This market is a freaking joke. What's up, Mitch? What's happening? I was just saying, man, this market is a freaking joke. But ready to go. We are ready to go. We'll see what happens, man. I guess they didn't like the ADP numbers. Dude, it's a fucking joke, man. Sorry, dude, but it's a joke, dude. Dumbass market. ADP non-farm payroll. Trump speaks at 3. I mean, I don't understand why it's down so much. Everybody knows these damn tariffs are coming. There's no surprises. So what the hell's the problem? You would think the stupid market would have already digested that information, right? I don't fucking know. There's no telling with these idiots. No telling, brother. All right. Market is down 58. Squeeze. Look at that. Just went negative. What's happening, John?
Good morning, Jeff.
What's going on, brother? We're trying to figure out the market. How it's down so damn much.
Uh-huh.
What's up with that, John? What's up with that?
Tariffs.
But that's what I was telling Mitch. I don't understand it because they already know there's fucking tariffs. At the end of the day, it should be priced into the market already. Everybody already knows there's fucking tariffs coming today, so I don't understand it. Market doesn't like uncertainty.
Jobs as well. So there's supposedly some fear that there won't be any interest rate cuts because the jobs were stronger.
Yeah. Oh, God, dude. I mean, Mitch, you are correct, too, dude. The market can stay irrational longer than, yeah. You know what? I mean, it is what it is. This environment makes it very difficult to swing trade. As far as day trade, it doesn't really matter, right? Because you don't really care. But for swing trading, this is a very tough environment because the momentum is it's not sustaining itself. Like it goes up and then it just goes down. Like it's a tough environment to swing trade right now. Very tough. Very tough. The day trading, I mean, I don't like it whenever it's this big either, but yeah. I mean, the market is down. I mean, fuck. I mean, we'll see what happens. But either way, we continue to do our thing. So what's up, Brandon? So let's see what we got, my friends. Let's do it. Here we go. Brandon, what up? All right. We are, we're good to go. So I've decided today I'm going to change my my management. You know, I've been thinking a lot about it. A lot. I'll tell you before we do it because, you know, I was thinking about the way I was doing it. It has to go 10 points to basically make 600. If you lose, it's minus 200 with 2 contracts. So in order to get a 3-1, it has to go 10 points, which, let me tell you something. That is, it's a lot harder than it sounds. I don't like that. So I'm going to be honest. Today, here's what I'm going to tell you straight up. I don't hide nothing. I'm going to go for 6 and my stop at 2. That's still the same 3-1. The only difference is I'm not going to sell at +2. At +2, I'm going to move to break even. So +2, I'm going to move to break even. +4, I'm going to move to +2, and then I'm only going for 6. Because if it goes straight up to 6, that's the same amount of money. Again, this is 1 contract or 2. That's the same amount of money if it goes 10. So anyway, I've already got it programmed to automatically do that. So that's what I'm decided to do. All right. So we got 1 minute left in this candle. So the aggressive trade, I'm only going to do it on the 30 minutes. So I'm going to do my number 1 setup the way I always do it. So let's see what happens. Let's just see what happens. Yeah. VIX opened up pretty low. We got 30 seconds. That VIX, it won't be any help to us right now. Based on what I see, it won't be any help. But I'm not doing the aggressive until 30 minutes anyway. Ticks are down. So I'd like to go short on a break of 10.75. So that's where I'm looking. We got a key level 24.75. I'm just going back to the way I always do it here. Okay, watch out for the fake out of the trap to the upside. I will do the aggressive, but the aggressive will be on the 30-minute. Make sure your trade's not locked. I did that the other day on CR Chart. It was a really good setup. And I had it locked. And if some bitch would have hit the target, but I freaking had it locked. All right, so we're popping through 24.75. Ticks are negative 520. VIX did finally, looks like it. I guess it opened up right here, but it was so little, it doesn't do me any good. And again, I'm not going to worry about missing trades. I'm just going to focus 100% on my plan. $100% on the plan. It did pop up nicely. Market's down 4. I mean, man, I'd be surprised if this market stayed down today. I mean, everybody already knows about the tariffs. People overreact. They're overreacting, these idiots. Big ass candle, though. It was a nice pop. The VIX hadn't even opened up. So, again, whenever it opens up big in one direction, it kind of sucks. All right. So that's how I'm going to do my management. I'm not going for 10. I just want 6, but I'm going to try to progressively manage it along the way. I don't care. 10 seems to be a little bit difficult. Yeah, look at it. Just went up 10, but it seems like whenever I'm in the trade, it doesn't want to go up 10. Our ticks are still negative. So, I mean, again, I'm not fighting these ticks. I'm going to erase these lines because they should pop up here in about now. Bam. All right. So there's the first major key level. Second. Again, we're grinding it. I get it. I'm not in a hurry. I just want to trade good. Like I said, the goal is just to trade consistent every freaking day, man. And the afternoon has been interesting indeed. All right, so we got the VWAP up here at 41.69. Crack, exactly, dude. Fucking crack, baby, dude. Fucking crack. Look at it going up, right? It's beautiful because you look afterwards and you're like, damn. But again, I'm not going to. That's the problem, right? When a market opens up big, it's, these ticks open. All right. Just remember, if you're trading the PA, it only takes one good trade a day. That's all it takes, to be honest with you. 3 white soldiers. You know what that is, right? But, I mean, there's no way. There's no way to catch that, man. No way. It's only down 32 right now. It's this crack baby ass market. I have taken no trades. Again, it did pop to the upside. But again, I'm not going to fight the selling pressure, even though you can see, obviously, buyers have stepped in since it opened up. But how do you know that, right? Look at that. These are big ass candles, man. Market's only down 27 now. What the fuck, bro? Dow Jones is down 154. It was down 300 at the open. I mean, this is some difficult shit, dude. And again, I don't understand why it was down so much. Everybody already knows about the tariffs. I mean, that's, to me, the biggest issue. And everybody already knows. It's fucking today. It's coming. So who cares? Like, we already know that shit. The market should be happy. It's a fucking good thing anyway, dude. In my opinion, it's a good thing. Wow, we might go positive here in a minute. So, you know, you had this opening move. It did pop. That was our setup. But, you know, with the market being down so much, I just didn't want to fight it because, you know, you don't know if it's going to do that and then just tank. Obviously, it didn't, but how do you know that? You guys can figure that out. You better let us know. If you can figure out how we can, like, know that shit's coming, we will all be billionaires. What's up, Jay? We will all be billionaires. So somebody, Mitch, you like numbers? You need to figure out how we know when that's going to happen. That's the homework. How do we know when that shit is going to happen? You figure that out, Mitch. We're counting on you. Damn, this fucker's going up. What the fuck, dude? It figures, right? Fucking these ticks. And look, man, we just climbed. Just trade good. That's all you can do, my friends. Trade good. You cannot predict that. I mean, the market was down 50 points, right? There's no way to predict that shit's going to happen. No way. Anybody that says that they know that, they are smoking crack. And you need to tell them to their face, stop smoking crack. All right, I'm going to double up down here. I mean, things went straight up. All right, so we doubled up at 23.25 there. That's going to come into play for our aggressive trade, which I'm only going to do that whenever the the AM timing window session, right? Damn, look at these candles. 4 monstrous candles. If we would have known that, we would have made like so much money, dude. Damn, there's got to be a way to fucking know that, dude. $23. All right. See if we can cross that 0. All right. So the tick's right up here. Moment of truth, right? Like, how the fuck do you predict that? There's no way. You're scalping in queue on range candles. You do whatever you got to do, right, brother? I mean, that might be the only thing that can happen right now. This thing is so fucked up. All right, we'll see, though. Again, I'm trade the plan, right? All right, have not taken any shots yet. That move, I mean, the market opened up down so big. I mean, I wasn't going to anticipate that. You know, I tried that NQ with that other software, and it just gave me a bad taste in my mouth. I was using that software, you know, right? We traded the NQ and hated it. So I'm just, yeah, I just got a bad. It's one of those, you know, you eat a food and you get food poisoning, and then after you get food poisoning, you don't want to eat that food again. Yeah, at those wrinkle charts, they traumatized me, man. They traumatized me, dude. Again, it's like getting food poison. You get food poison, you're afraid to eat that food. I remember I got food poisoning when I was a kid. I didn't eat pizza for 10 years. I got food poisoning from the NASDAQ. And those are Ringo charts, right? All right, but anyway, let's get back because we're going to have opportunities here. We got, I mean, it just, honestly, trading a PA, it only takes one good trade a day. You take one trade, you hit that trade, you done. If you're copy trading, shit, even if you're copy trading just 5 accounts, one good trade, copy trading on 5 accounts, you're done, bro. So, I mean, it doesn't matter about missing a trade. Just don't miss your trade, right? That's where you have a tendency to just try to jump in. Fucking your Rinko charts. All right. So this candle's going to close here in about 40 seconds. Ticks are negative. Okay. The VIX looks like it found a little bit of support down here, 2262. Right? This is still the Globex session, right? People are clearing out their positions. And 9 o'clock is whenever like we really expand. 9 o'clock is whenever we open up all setups, 4 of them, plus the aggressive. So there's, and that's whenever we get more active. But as of right this second, ticks are still down. All right, so we closed our range. 53.50 Ticks are negative, so let's watch to see if we can get a pop and these ticks can pick up. They haven't crossed the 0 yet. Okay, so I am looking for my number 1 setup on the minis, not the micros, the minis. Watch out for the trap. And watch out for the fake out. Rinko. All right, it's popping up through. Look at all your information though. This could be a trap. Could be a fake out, right? Could go up, pull right back. I'm watching these ticks too. All right. I'm not entering here. I'm just doing it for my reference. Watching these ticks are still negative. I don't want to fight it. See if they can flip, right? We're not going to sustain a move to the upside unless these bad boys get above 0. Look at that, selling off. Look at that. They will not go to the upside without the ticks. I'm just watching here. Closes in 20 seconds. If it closes like this, that's a fake out. Look at that. Look at that. Not closed yet. You see that shit coming. See that coming from a mile away. All right. So we got us a little fake out right there. So we're going to make that blue. Minor key level. Okay. Information. Sharks in the water, right? All my terminologies that I would use before I started getting Rinko crazy. Fucking Rinko. All right, I'm going to go ahead and erase this purple line because the software draws it, and I don't want to, I need that room. Right? You can see here, it draws it. Okay, so we got a key level 59, minor key level. All it takes is 1 trade a day. Just be patient and wait for that setup. Okay, so I'm not going to do setup number 1, right? This tells me, again, there's sellers up here. We don't know if this breaks out. We don't know if they're going to come in and push it back down. So we got to resort to setup number 2. All right. No momentum. Not yet. Do we have an announcement at 9? Factory orders. No. All right, so we're popping back up through. Again, though, we know there's sellers. So what I want to see is that break and that retest, right? And then go. Setup number 2. I'm not taking number 1. Again, 1 trade a day. Yeah, but the news is at 3 o'clock, though. The news is at 3 o'clock. So by then, the market's over. It's already closed. At least based on that calendar, right? Which is all I'm going to go by. Well, I'm just going to go by this calendar, though. So I'm going to trade all day, no problem, because I'm just going to go by this calendar. Yeah. That's what I do. I stick to this forexfactory.com, and yeah, that's what I'm going to go by that, though. All right. So, yeah, it's tariff day. Yeah. But I'm going to trade as normal. All right, so we got this key level right here, 59. Yep, that's cool. All right, so we're back positive. Well, we'll see if that lasts, right? We got this key level here at 59. We got to get above it. I like to see this VIX collapse. Yeah, I know. I'm still going to trade, though. I'm not. None of that's going to affect me whatsoever, brother. We'll see it in the price action. If the price action gets crazy, then I back off. But until that happens, I'm going to be normal. Because if any one of those things, I guess during the day, causes the market to go crazy, we'll see it. All right, so we're breaking back above 59. See if we can hold it. Again, the VIX hasn't popped yet. I'm not going to do setup number 1. Plus, look how much time has passed. See if we can hold 59. All right. Ticks are picking back up. I mean, let's see here. Yeah, I mean, the damn tariffs are already baked into the market. I don't understand why it was down 53. Everybody already knows that shit's coming. The market doesn't like uncertainty. Well, shit, it's certain that it's coming. And I believe this market will be up at the end of the day. But, I mean, if it's not, so what, right? I mean, we don't know. I mean, I really wish we did. But the only thing I know is I told you watch out for here. I told you not to go long because you know there's sellers and it might slap another fake out. That's the only thing I know. And look, you got a fake out right here on a VIX. So the only move was this move at the beginning, but how the heck do you know that? The market was down 50, bro. Look at that. A fake out of a fake out. So let's draw the level. There's our next level right here. It's another key level. So we got us 2 sharks, right? 2 great whites. Fucking bastards. We need a killer whale to come along and smack them. So we got lots of problems right now. That doesn't mean once 9 o'clock comes, we start over, right? Again, I'm going back in the morning to trading my high probability setups, just looking for one shot. You know, again, if I can get a shot a day, I'm happy. The afternoon, I'm fucked. There's plenty of fucking trades, right? Out of boredom alone, you can trade 50 million trades out of pure boredom. We got 5 minutes. So what I want to do is I'm going to triple up down here. Triple up. All right, so we do have the aggressive will be on the table, okay? The aggressive will be on the table. As well as all the setups. So for those of you that are on YouTube, y'all have a great trading day. We're going to trade pretty much for hours, right? If you want to join us in here, you know what to do. If not, you know, I probably won't be here tomorrow on YouTube. I got an awards banquet for my son, but you know what? In the members area, obviously, we'll be here. Even if we're a little bit late, we'll be here, obviously, right? For coaching. So let's sit back. Let's wait for the AM window. A lot of opportunities. Everything's on the table. Let's see if we can make some money here in this afternoon. All right? Y'all want to join? Check in the description.